we want to know where we came from. It's in our genes. We want to know our story. We are fortunate, for ours is the first generation with the ability to hand down to future generations a lifetime of photographs and home movies that will look and sound as good as they do today, many generations from now. Safe from the elements, safe from accidental loss. The Photo Archival Company is here to preserve, share, and archive your legacy for the generations to come. We convert your existing library of movie reels, photographs, videotapes, slides, and more to a stable digital format. We make it convenient to share and enjoy your memories on DVD, on Blu-ray disc. You can watch your full-length movies or download and view your digital pictures from one of our media servers. Our archival service safeguards your memories from an immediate loss from any of life's unplanned events. If you experience a loss for any reason, we're only a phone call away. Do it once. Do it right. Do it for a lifetime. The Photo Archival Company. May we have the honor of earning your business.